Freire's work, Pedagogy of the Oppressed, published in the year 1970, deals with the question of how education can either reproduce or transform power structures. Freire analyzes society as a system of oppression, in which certain groups dominate others, often through social, economic, or political means. The oppressed are frequently objectified, meaning they are treated as passive objects with little opportunity to act or reflect on their own reality. Freire criticizes the traditional education system, which he calls the banking model. Teachers deposit knowledge into the minds of learners as if they were banks, thereby preventing critical thinking and perpetuating oppression. As an alternative, he proposes the so-called problem-posing education, in which teachers and learners work together, reflect on reality, and question social structures. The goal is to develop critical consciousness that enables people to understand their situation and actively transform it. Central to Freire's approach is dialogue, in which learners and teachers learn from one another and seek solutions collectively. Education thus becomes an instrument of liberation rather than mere adaptation. The oppressed should not simply be integrated into the existing system, but should develop the ability to recognize and overcome social injustices. Pedagogy of the Oppressed demonstrates that education is always political. It can either stabilize existing power relations or provide people with the tools to critically examine and change their world.